Listen.
Why is there no sound? So, there you go, guys. You can take on special missions during the event period. Check the mission bingo screen and not the mission screen to learn more. That's it. Perfect. Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPO Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt. Your hardest team is called Grunt. And this is Pokemon Masters. We have finished Mission Bingo cards 1 and 2 of the Dragon That Rules the Sky. And time for the third one. Oh, we have finished almost everything. And there's only one left. I wonder what it is. Oh wow, we got a lot of co-op sync orbs. Oh, so happy about this. So happy about this, guys. Challenge team break hard 100 times. Come on. Come on. Why do I even have to do this? Anyway, let's check out the others, guys. Level the following sync pair, 80 or higher. Unity attacks, 10 of them. 100 super effective attacks. Level 100 or higher. 30 unity attacks. 50 unity attacks. Learn a passive skill. And 50 sync moves. And time to just finish this. My goodness, 100 times. We have finished it 52 times. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. This is frustrating as heck. Anyway, guys.
Let's see who's the best.
Guys, if I'm not mistaken, 2 more or 3 more matches and we should be done with this. So let's just do 3 more and check out the mission bingo screen and see what we got. It's another day and I hope that we finish this fast. So just let this load by its own. I kind of powered up my Nolan, giving him 2 attack plus 5s. But Nolan's not exactly the attacker right now. And that is 1, guys. 2 more matches and we should be done.
Let's see who's the best. Here we go. Now.
Do it. Get ready.
Hyper Beam. Sometimes the AI is so stupid.
That'll do it.
Here I come.
My turn. Come on.
Get ready.
My turn. Go. Allow me. Come on.
You can do it.
Oh no. Don't use it on Turtonator.
Do it.
Such a waste.
What can we learn?
Something went wrong. Keep it up.
Allow me.
Go. Go.
And that is 2, guys. I kind of intervened.
Victory is
The
ours.
third one, I'll just let the game play by its own once again.
Let's see who's the best. Here we go.
Here we go.
Now.
Do it.
Hey.
Get ready. Keep it up.
Quick. Come on.
Go.
Leave it to me. Come on.
Get ready.
Knowledge is power. Quick.
Keep it up. Here I come.
Nice moves. Here we go.
Good thing that our stats don't decrease anymore once the opponent uses his or her or their sync move.
What can we learn? Allow me.
Totally. Do it. Something went wrong. Keep it up. You can do it. Go.
And that is round 3. Yay!
Victory is ours.
Okay. And finish. I just hope that we're done. Mission bingo screen. I think this is a good sign, guys. Weekly. Wait, no. Not really. Oh my goodness, how many more? 10 more. What the heck? Okay, guys, 10 more. I didn't even count that. So, I'm gonna pause this and keep playing. Rawr. Okay, guys, I think I have 2 rounds left and I am done. So, with that said, let's do this.
Here we go. Now.
Do it.
Hey.
Get ready. Keep it up.
Let's finish this.
Go. My turn.
You can do it.
My turn. Leave it to me. Come on. You got this. You got this.
That's weak.
Allow me. You got this.
Go.
Frick.
Totally. Do it.
Knowledge is power. Nice moves. Here we go. Go. What can we learn from this?
Strong.
Something went wrong. Go.
Allow me.
Go.
And that was one more round, guys.
Victory is ours.
One more round. And here we go again. Last round.
Let's see who's the best.
Last round, guys.
Now.
Do it.
Hey.
Get ready.
Go.
Keep it up.
That'll do it.
You can do it.
Come on. Leave it to me.
You can do it.
Hurry up.
Allow me. Go.
Get ready.
What the?
You got this. Quick.
Totally. Do it.
What can we learn?
Go.
Yay, guys! We finished. I think we're done. I think we are done.
Time is ours.
It was tiring. It was long. I hope it's done. Finish. And if I'm not mistaken, Mission Bingo should be done. There's an exclamation point. The Dragon That Rules the Sky 3. Here we go, guys. Last one. Done. Blackout. Bingo times 8. Awesome.
Congratulations.
And we got 500 of these co-op sync orbs as well as 1, 2, 3. So we got quite a lot. We don't get gems though, which is sad, but yeah, that's a lot of orbs. So bingo rewards for the first one was more on boosting items. Second one was more on buff blends specifically. And third one, full of co-op orbs. And with that said, thank you so much for watching. This has been The Dragon That Rules the Sky, Pokemon Masters, and I think in the next video we can tackle about exchanging items already. I think I got quite a lot, guys, from co-op though. Co-op and not single player. So I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts, share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you in the next video.